Hello guys, I am back again. So, always before I get started, I'm going to check my Binance account. I'm currently in the same coins I was before in the previous video, so there's not much changed for my Binance check. Also, I have still the same amount of cash. I hope today I'm going to break out higher because DOC is rising. My screen isn't working, so yeah, now it's working. You see? So DOC is doing great. It is getting a little bit higher each step every day, and I'm riding it up. So I'm doing great after all. So let's jump into the market. I'm going to talk about the coins 41 to 50, but it depends. It depends on it because the market fluctuated all the time. So you already know it. I told it in a video before, but let's jump into it. Yes, here we are again. Okay, hello guys. Let's jump into the market. So yes, before we're getting started, it's really good to know that you always keep track on the market. Just like I told in previous video, the market is fluctuating like crazy. So you always need to be on top of it, even when you are at work. So even when I'm at work, I am personal trainer and I train for 6 days in a week by myself. And I also train a lot of clients. And when I'm on my work, I also keep track on cryptocurrency. So yes, I am busy, but I'm doing this on the sideline, and it's very difficult, but you need to do it because the market is really extremely volatile. So you need to be aware of everything. And let's start with the first coin. I don't know if I mentioned this coin, but I'm going to mention it in this video. So the last video I did some more coins because there were coins like fluctuating from price, so I did 2 more coins because otherwise it wouldn't fill up the gap that I had in coins. So today we're going to talk about 41 to 50, but it's really possible that there are some coins that I already told by, so I'm going further than 50 low. So that being said, let's go. Yearn Finance, EFI, now of IFI. I think this coin started at 20th of July and it was worth $142, and now it's worth $13,689. So at the top was $15,000. Yes, okay. So this coin has made significant gains in a couple of times. Oh, the all-time low was $13, and now it's up for 44,164%. That's really insane. The coin was first only on Uniswap, and now it's also on Binance, and you can buy it everywhere. But it's an insane coin. I don't really know the project and where it's from. I think it's also mentioned that you can do all kind of stuff with it, so you can get mortgage of your house and stuff like that. But the current the circulating supply is 30,000, and they're almost already all sold out. So that's a really low supply. So when a coin has a low supply, the price is higher. When the coin has a high supply or a high max supply, then the coin value will be much lower. So that's the difference. If you want to learn more about this coin, you can go to yearn.finance. That's the website. So that's coin 1. That's going fast. Digibyte, we already talked about it in the previous video. CAT, we already talked about. Quantum, I don't know if I had it in the first video, but I have a lot of Quantum. I'm going to check it. I forgot if I had it in the previous video, but doesn't matter. Quantum is a nice coin. Quantum also has not really that big of a supply, so it's also worth a lot, or it can be worth a lot. but it's been much higher than it is now. The highest it was been is $100, and it's now currently stated at $4, something like that. I have a bunch of them because the mainnet is coming at the 28th August, and they're also going to implement staking. So there are two big news on the calendars. If you want to learn more, go to quantum.org, and you need to spell it like QTUM. So not like the full sentence of the word, you know. The next one, Energyweb Token. This token is pretty new, and I heard something about that. There is some company connected to it that's connected with Tesla or something like that. So people were like saying, "Oh, Elon Musk is part of this project," but that's not true. Elon Musk isn't part of this project, but some companies that Elon Musk is part of, it's inside of this token. So technically Elon Musk is a little bit inside of this token, but also not. So the hype isn't real. Yeah, it's a token based on green energy, I guess, and they want to do a lot of stuff. I don't really know a lot about this coin, but the only thing I heard is that it's based on green energy worldwide, and I don't know what they want to do with it, but you can search it on energyweb.org. That's their website, so you can search it over there. Okay, the next one, Ren. I'm from the Netherlands, so I always when I heard when I heard the word Ren, Ren is from a song called Ren Lenny Ren, and they always sing like when Lenny when, and that's why I always mentioned it. In my head, I'm always connecting it to the song. So that's a little side note. But the project is really good. I heard a lot of good stuff from it, and they really mentioned to break plateaus, because the coin was started in May 2018. It was really low a long time, around 5 cents, and now it's up crazy. It's up about 1736%, and the highest was $42, and yeah, it had an insane run. I don't know everything about this project, but I do know it's a good project. Much people are like talking about it, and it's a solid project. If you want to learn more about it, go to rentproject.io. I think there is much to learn in this coin. Read the white paper, of course. UMA. What's UMA? I never heard of it. Sorry, I don't heard of this coin. So it's the first time I'm seeing this. It's traded on Uniswap. It's not trading on Binance. It's trading on ICX, Bilaxi. Okay, so it's yeah, I think it's a decent coin. It was $1.71. It's now currently traded at almost $7, so that's insane gains. And I don't know anything about the project. So the project website is umaproject.org, and I'm going to look at it for a second. A protocol for building synthetic assets. Okay, so they are creating a platform for financial innovations, decentralized crypto futures, synthetic token to track anything, yield curves on Ethereum. So it's a ERC20 token, I guess. It's built on Ethereum, decentralized finance. Okay, so it's okay. There are more of them, I guess, of these coins. Waves. I already talked about it in the previous video. It's a great project. It's a nice one. NXM. Yeah, I have seen this one. Someone talked about this coin, but on YouTube I saw it, and I was like, "What is it?" But I don't know anything about this coin. So this is not. It's only on Nexus Mutual. What? So you can't get this coin anywhere than on nexusmutual.io. It's okay. You can buy it here. Oh, you need to connect with your MetaMask. Okay, so it's an exchange, I guess. A blockchain-based solution, smart contract cover, mutuals replacement insurance. Into the Nexus Metal. Oh, okay. Decentralized claims assessments. Okay. Oh, so you can use the smart contract code over here. Smart contracts covered. This is the team. Okay. Blockchain capital. So they are. This is like an I think like an exchange or something like that. A people-powered alternative to insurance. So it's an insurance thing. You can maybe you can get insurance on crypto. I guess I don't know, but yeah, it's if you want to look about this coin, then you can go to nexusmutual.io. I always put a link in the description for the coins, so if you want to know more about it, you can also go inside of my description and just click on the link of the coin and you get redirected to their website. Icon, ICX, oh my god, I am so fucking fan of this coin. It's insane. When I first started cryptocurrency, this was the coin I was most bullish on all the fucking way. This coin is so good. It has an extremely valued project. It had a solid team. They are working really insane hard. It's insane. I followed them for a long time, and they are working like mad. And it's a really big coin inside of South Korea. That's the main base where they are like implementing everything, and they already mentioned to have implemented some financial destruction with schools, so education. If you are in South Korea and you do some education stuff, so you are trying to get diplomacies or something like that, you can achieve it with Icon. So Icon already is integrated in some of the national stuff inside of South Korea, and that's insane for cryptocurrency. It's pretty damn awesome. So yeah, that being said, ICX is already being available on many platforms. Its all-time high was at $13, and at the moment it's at, let me have a look again, it's stating at 60 coins, and yeah, it's a good coin. I still have a bunch of them inside of my ICX wallet, so on my mobile, and I think about it to go back in it again when I gained a lot with the other coins. So the website is icon.foundation. It's a really nice project. True USD. I don't have to talk a lot about it. True USD is a $1 backed coin, so it's the same as Tether, and yeah, I don't have to mention it. If you want to know more about the True USD site, you can go to trusttoken.com. So the next one, Kyber Network, KNC. This is a swap, just like Uniswap. It's a DeFi network. I think you can use it to get DeFi coins on it, and it's connected to Ethereum. And DAI, this DAI, is the currency they're using. So it's a big project, and it just started at January 2018. Okay, FTX token. FTX token is ftx.com, and FTX is a platform to use It's an exchange, so yeah, some people use it, and I don't, but you can use it if you want to. So the link is in the description. Bittorrent. Bittorrent is a little bit crazy because I know Bittorrent from back in the days. Everyone was downloading stuff from Bittorrent, and they have their own coin. You can use it. It's a Bittorrent.com token. Tokenize the world's largest decentralized file sharing protocol with BTT, and it's just like the normal BitTorrent. You can share files, download files. Yeah, it's like uTorrent. It's the coin of uTorrent. So, if you are a fan of uTorrent, you certainly need to weed inside of BitTorrent because that's really part of the same community. Paxos Standard. Paxos Standard is the same as is valued on gold, I guess, because Paxos is always gold. But I don't really know. I'm going to watch it. Get Pax, the most liquid stable coin in the world. Okay, it's a stable coin, but I thought it was backed by gold, or is it something else then? Okay, it's a stabilized. It's backed by the US dollar, but okay. Paxos.com is the website. ETH USDC. That's the stable coin of ETH. So that's not really a big of a deal. It's the same website as ETH, so ETH.com. If you want to know more about stablecoin, I'm going to do one more coin. That's Lisk. Lisk has been here for a long time. I was part of it back in the days. I had a bunch of them, but I sold it really quick. It's a great project. I don't really know much about it, but let me see. The highest was on. It was $35, and now at the moment it's like $2. So yeah, it's really down at the moment, but it's still a great project. If you want to learn more about it, go to lisk.io of .io. It's a gateway going into blockchain, and yeah, it's a great team. They are working hard. So if you want to learn more about it, go to lisk.io. So that were the coins for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I see you guys in the next video. Boom.